Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to properly present PowerPoint slides in Zoom step by step. So before you begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and join your Zoom meeting. Make sure your slides are ready and that you are on the first slide before you start sharing. So once everything is ready, press F5 on your keyboard. So this will open your PowerPoint in full screen slideshow mode. Your slideshow should now fill the screen, which gives you your audience a cleaner view and lets you transitions, animations, and other present elements display properly. Next, return to your Zoom meeting without closing the slideshow. Press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard, then keep pressing Tab until you see the Zoom window. Release the keys once Zoom is selected and your slideshow will stay open in the background. Now, go to the bottom of the Zoom meeting and click Share. So a new window will appear showing the different screens and windows you can share. Look for the full screen PowerPoint slideshow, which may appear as a PowerPoint slideshow window or as a preview of your current slide. So select the full screen PowerPoint window and click share, and then Zoom will then show your presentation to everyone in the meeting. So from here, you can use your keyboard arrows or mouse to move through your slides while you continue speaking. So this method helps keep your presentation clean because your viewers will see the slideshow instead of the PowerPoint editing screen. So just remember to open your slides, press F5, switch back to Zoom with Alt plus Tab, then share the full screen PowerPoint window. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.